Some cars age, others become legends. Today, we're looking back at 5 old luxury cars that still ooze class, presence, and power, even decades later. These aren't just cars, they're rolling pieces of art. Let's dive into automotive royalty. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz S-Class W140, 1991 to 1998. When the W140 arrived in the early 90s, it wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Nicknamed the S-Class tank, it was built like a fortress, packed with innovations far ahead of its time. Soft closed doors, double-pane windows, self-parking mirrors, features modern cars still brag about. It was luxury done the German way, over-engineered, overbuilt, and unforgettable. Number 2. BMW 7 Series E38, 1994 to 2001. Sleek, stylish, and perfectly balanced, the E38 7 Series became an instant icon. It's the kind of car that made you feel like a CEO the moment you sat inside. The design was pure elegance without trying too hard. And under the hood, smooth V8 or even V12 engines that purred like velvet. Oh, and yes, it was James Bond's car in Tomorrow Never Dies. Number 3. Lexus LS 400, 1989 to 2000. When Lexus launched the LS 400, it shocked the world. A new brand taking on Mercedes and BMW, and beating them in silence, comfort, and reliability. The LS 400 was the car that proved luxury could be flawless and bulletproof. Quiet cabin, buttery smooth V8, and build quality that made German engineers nervous. Number 4. Jaguar XJ, X308, 1997 to 2003. The Jaguar XJ was the definition of British charm. Classy, timeless, and effortlessly cool. With its long hood, chrome accents, and signature wood-trimmed interior, it had a character no modern car can copy. Driving one today feels like wearing a tailored suit. Elegant, confident, and just a bit rebellious. Number 5. Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit, 1980 to 1999. And finally, the Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit. Pure luxury, pure grace, no rush, no noise. Every part of this car whispered wealth. The handcrafted wood, the thick carpet, the spirit of ecstasy standing proudly on the hood. It wasn't transportation, it was status. These cars remind us that true luxury never fades. They weren't built for trends, they were built to last. So tell me in the comments, which of these classics would you love to own? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we explore more legends of the road.